Hey there! Are you curious about AI but don't know where to start? I've got just the thing for you. Introducing our free online course, AI Fundamentals, a beginner's guide to artificial intelligence. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to understand what AI is all about and how it's changing our world. AI is everywhere these days, from the phones in our pockets to the cars on our roads. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? That's what I'm here to explain. In this course, you'll learn the basics of AI, including key terms and ideas. We'll explore different types of AI systems and look at how AI is used in various industries. Plus, we'll talk about the important ethical questions surrounding AI. But it's not just about theory. Our course is broken down into easy-to-follow videos, with separate videos for case studies and quizzes. This way, you can learn at your own pace and really make sure you understand each topic. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of AI basics, problem-solving skills, and the ability to think critically about AI applications. You'll be well-equipped to join in on AI discussions, confidently start using AI tools, and even start your own AI projects. Ready to dive into the world of AI? Watch our free course today. Just click the playlist link below in description box to get started. Remember, the future is AI, and this is your chance to be part of it. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to learn about AI. Subscribe to our channel today and start your AI journey.